Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day today. This is just a little short. I wanted to show you what I got in my Influenster box. I want to recommend some cookies for the holiday Christmas season. I got some new holiday pins in, and as you can see, I took my hair out. I was having a lot of problems with the itchy scalp. We did have them in almost 5 months. I was not done with them, but I was at the point where I was scratching my head with pens and pencils and things that I could have hurt my scalp with. So without injuring myself and having to actually cut my hair out from damaging my scalp, I decided to take them out. I did save the bag of hair that came out while I was taking my dreads out, and I was super shocked. I will say it does feel better now. I did do 2 aloe vera treatments on it. If you don't know, aloe vera will help your hair grow. It also softens and strengthens it. So if you're having a problem with your hair growing, try some real. I get mine from Walmart. They come in big aloe vera leaves. I cut them in half. I scrape all the gel out of it, and then I put it on my hair and I let it dry. I don't rinse it out. I don't do anything. I also use it in my eyebrows. So if you're looking to try to help your hair grow, there is something to use. When my scalp first started itching like that, I was using Head and Shoulders and my dreadlock shampoo together. And then Head and Shoulders came out with a Royal Oils Instant Soothe Scalp Elixir. I was also using this too. And this would help for about 30 minutes to an hour. And then I was just back at scratching my head. So even with washing it all of the time, I washed it more when it was in dreadlocks than I do like this. So it was for my own health, I guess we will say. I did enjoy them. I'm going to miss them. If I do go back to wanting to do that or use my new extensions, I will be doing the braid around the extensions and do it that way. But for a little while, we will just stick back with our original hair. It feels very light. I've always been thick-headed. I've always had thick hair. And it feels like I just went and got it thinned. It's very airy. I was surprised to see it took a curl. It looks good. I mean, for as much damage as I did to it in almost 5 months, I think it looks very good. So I guess I'm happy with how it came out, but I'm not happy that it had to come out. So there is part of that. I do want to say to Michelle, a day in the life of Michelle, she always asks about my hair. We tried, baby. I was enjoying it. Thank you for trying to be on the journey of my hair. But for my own health, we had to call it quits. But I do appreciate you supporting me in one of my decisions, and everybody else that also supported my decision of what I chose to do with my hair. You don't get that a lot, so I do appreciate it. Now, Pepperidge Farms, you can sponsor me or not. If you don't know, I am not a sweet eater. I don't do a whole lot of sweets, fruits, crackers, Cheez-Its, that kind of thing, Twizzlers. That's my kind of sweet snacks, sweets. But my mother picked these up for me the other day. I love the butter cookies in a tin. I know it's old-fashioned or whatever, but those are cookies that I look forward to in the wintertime around the holidays. So she picked these up for me. Now there are 9 different cookies in here, and I have been absolutely enjoying them. These right here with the chocolate and the pecans are amazing. These little round twisty ones are amazing. And then these flatbread sweet and crispy. They're like a butter cookie. Absolutely have been enjoying these. So, Mom, if you're watching this, thank you. Totally, if you're doing any kind of get-together for Christmas, grab some of these. They will be a hit. And then I had, now, you know that I am a Jeffree Star lover, and my favorite person to watch when there is a new Jeffree Star release is Kimora Blac. I always watch him when Jeffree drops a new collection. And he came out with his holiday pins again. It came in this little bubbler. And then both pins were wrapped up in this little bubble wrap. But the pins are just super adorable. And when I seen that he had these back for restock, yeah, I jumped on it. I am going to make some kind of DIY so that I can put them on my tree. But these are what they look like. They are super cute. You have a naughty and a nice with Kimora on there. I just think they're adorable. But like I said, they are pins for like your lapel. But they are super cute. I know that they were a limited quantity, so I jumped on it when I could. And I was super happy that I did. And then the Influenster box. Now, this is where you do reviews. I spend a lot of time on Influenster. Whether it be reviews on products I've tried, products I've heard about, products I've received or bought myself. I spend a lot of time on Influenster, and I've gotten quite a few boxes, and I've enjoyed every one of them. There is no, you have to do a video on YouTube. You are supposed to post a picture on Instagram, and then fill out the rest of your surveys, campaigns for your box to be eligible to get another one. So, this is this box, and it is the Autumn Essentials Vox box. This is what I received in mine. We got some Butterfinger, some Humphreys toner, and then some Advil. Now, I did eat a few of these Butterfinger bites. I also am a lover of Butterfinger as far as a sweet chocolate. That one time a month, I enjoy Butterfinger, but my husband ate most of these. That's perfectly okay. I love Butterfinger, so I was glad to try this. And the bites, I think if you were at the movies, this would be neat. But for somebody like me, I prefer the little miniature single wrapped ones because that's enough for me. A full bar is too much. And something like this was too much, and I would be afraid of it drying out or getting hard. So, while I like Butterfingers, I wish it would have been the individual wrapped ones. But I didn't get to pick. I did like them. Then the Advil multi-symptom cold and flu. I did take these. I didn't have a cold. I had a runny nose. And my ears were popping. So I decided to take these. It had been a few years since I had taken Advil. And I think that it did help for the purpose that I took it for. So, you know, I will definitely be looking into Advil again. And then the Humphreys Witch Hazel Alcohol-Free Toner Refresh with Cucumber. That is what it looks like. And as you can see, I have been using it. I love a toner. I don't care who makes it, where it comes from. I love a toner. Morning and night, tone your face. Make sure you have all your makeup off. Your skin will thank you. So if you don't use a toner, pick yourself up one and, give yourself 30 days. I promise you'll see a difference. So with that, that was my Influenster box, and I greatly appreciate Influencer sending it to me. It was free, complimentary for review. I have to put that in there. But yeah, guys, that is what's been going on with me, the pins that I got in, and then my Influencer box, my new hair, old hair. I don't really know what to call that, but it is what it is. I don't know, I'm okay with it. I will say that it grew quite a bit while it was in dreads. I was very shocked at how much it grew, especially seeing how much hair came out. And there was nothing weird in there. There was no mold or dust or bugs or any of that cliche words or thoughts that people get from dreadlocks. There was nothing of that in there, so I was very happy to see that. A little bit of dry skin, but we all have dry skin. It's going to happen. It just gets very tied up when your hair is in dreadlocks. So let me know what you think. Have you tried this toner? Do you know who Kimora Blac is? Do you watch him? What are your thoughts? Did you happen to get these pins? Did you get a Vox box for autumn? Comment down below. Let me know. If you're new here, please do hit that subscribe button. It greatly helps out my channel. If you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And please, please, please don't forget about the cookies at Christmas time, because these will go over very well. So that's it, guys. Until next time, I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye.